Hey guys, it's Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017. It's a Wolf Creek 850. It was bought here, it was traded in here, it's a fresh trade. Nice little camper, lightweight. Look at the front of Wolf Creek, just like the Arctic Fox, got one piece around the front. This one's a non-slide, it's very light. It's got the electric jacks. Got a little place here to put your hose at. Look at the length here. This is for a long bed or short bed, preferably a long bed. No overhang. Come around the back here, you see the awning. It's got lights. You got your ladder in the back. This has the Fox landing, which folds up out of the way. If you want to come inside, this one's a wet bath. It's got the little bunk above the dinette. Got an air conditioner. Fantastic fan above the bed. One nice sink in the kitchen area there. LED lights all over, inside and outside, ports around the bed. This one has a memory foam mattress. Nice seating area there that makes into a bed. Very nice lightweight camper, just came in. If you got any other questions, my number's on the screen there. You can give me a call on my cell phone, 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.